Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Wajid Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn with Wajid. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to answer some questions which mostly asked by students on YouTube and on other social media platforms, like what is the minimum IELTS score accepted by universities in Canada? Can I study in Canada with 6 bands in IELTS? Can I study in Canada with 5.5 bands in IELTS? Can I study in Canada with 5 bands in IELTS? And can I apply for Canadian student visa with 5.5 bands in IELTS? Can I study in Canada without IELTS? And can I get Canadian student visa with general IELTS? So if you want to know about all these questions, then complete watch this video because I am going to clarify all these myths. But before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe it and press the bell icon, because here I will provide you information about IELTS, scholarships and study abroad. And one thing more, at the end of the video I have a special offer or gift for you, so if you want to avail it, then complete watch this video. So the first question is, what is the minimum IELTS score accepted by Canadian universities? Guys, students take IELTS academic because they are supposed to prove their English language proficiency. IELTS score requirements vary according to the program of study, whether it's a foundation course, undergraduate or postgraduate degree. Like if you are planning for undergraduate degree, then your IELTS requirements will be different from a master's course. So if you are planning for undergraduate degree, then mostly Canadian universities accept IELTS score of 6 bands overall with not less than 5.5 bands in each module. And if you want to get admission in master's degree, then you are supposed to get 6.5 bands overall with not less than 6 bands in each module. So the second question which mostly asked by the students, can I study in Canada with 6 bands in IELTS? So if you want to study in Canada in an undergraduate degree, then the answer is yes. You can study in Canada with 6 bands in IELTS only if you want to study in an undergraduate course. But if you have 6 bands in IELTS and you want to get enrolled in a master's degree, then it's very difficult to get admission, because mostly Canadian universities demand an IELTS score of 6.5 or 7 bands for postgraduate degree. The third question is, can I study in Canada with 5.5 bands in IELTS? Yes, you can get admission in Canada with 5.5 bands in IELTS in an undergraduate degree. But if you want to get admission in a master's program with 5.5 bands, then it's nearly impossible. The fourth question is, can I study in Canada with 5 bands in IELTS? Well, if you have 5 bands overall in IELTS, then you can't get admission in any Canadian university. But if you have 5 bands in a single module, then you have some chances to get admission in an undergraduate degree, but still, there is no surety that you will get admission. The next question is, can I apply for Canadian student visa with 5.5 bands in IELTS? Well, guys, Canada accepts student visa application in 2 different streams. First is SDS, mean student direct stream, and second is non-SDS. So if you are applying through SDS, then it's clearly mentioned in SDS requirements that students must have an overall score of 6 bands with not less than 5.5 in each module if they want to apply for an undergraduate course. But if you want to apply in a master's course through SDS stream, then you must have minimum IELTS score of 6.5 band overall with not less than 6 bands in each module. But if you want to apply for Canadian student visa with 5.5 bands in IELTS, then you can apply through non-SDS stream. The next question which is mostly asked by the students, can I study in Canada without IELTS? Yes, it's possible. You can get admission in Canada without IELTS, but still you have to prove your English language proficiency, as there are many other alternative English language tests which Canadian universities accept, like TOEFL, Duolingo, PTE, etc. But when it comes to Canadian student visa, then IELTS is mandatory. You can get admission in Canadian universities without IELTS, but you can't get Canadian student visa. The next question is, can I get Canadian student visa with IELTS general training? So as far as the latest updates, yes, you can get Canadian student visa with IELTS general training, because IELTS academics and general training both are accepted under SDS category. But remember one thing, You must have IELTS academics for admission because you can't apply for admission with IELTS general training. So now I think these questions are cleared. If you still have any question or doubt, then you are more than welcome to ask in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel because it gives me motivation to make more helpful videos for you. And I know you are waiting for the special offer. So if you want to apply for admission in any Canadian university and you want a review of your application or documents or SOP, then send these documents on given email address and I'll check your application or documents free of cost. Take care of yourselves. See you in the next video.